Make your way to the stage. Joe's going to give us a few words for how everyone's feeling after Coachella. Thank you, Joe.
Check. Wow. Well, hi everyone. Are you having a good night? Okay, let's do an energy check. When I say hep hep, you say hooray. Hep hep. Hooray. Hep hep. Hooray. When I say ow, you say a. Ow. Ow. Hi. Okay, so on behalf of Beanie of my sisters, we would like to extend our heartfelt thanks to everyone. Thank you so much for being here tonight. To all the press, influencers, our co-artists, thank you so much for the support. We really felt that. Thank you. And I prepared a speech for all of you guys. Okay, I don't even know where to start or how to start this speech, but I think the best way to start this is to talk about and to share about our Coachella experience. It was honestly unbelievable how we made it through our performances. This experience taught us so many lessons. It humbled us, stepping onto a stage, not knowing if anyone would cheer or support us. All we had was just our talent and courage. But because our company ABS-CBN raised us to be independent and to always persevere, we showed up and we gave everything we had. After Coachella, we were in shock because a lot of positive comments, reactions, and even articles from different media outlets talking about our performance. It's very overwhelming. And we didn't expect that we would be able to touch so many hearts and lives. And reading their messages just reminded us that what we do goes beyond the stage. And for us, that was the most rewarding part of all. I know words aren't enough to thank our team who has helped us through everything. They've been with us through every high and low, behind the scenes, carrying so much weight so that we could perform on stage and give our best. So thank you so much, ABS-CBN Music and Team Beanie, for believing in us since day one. So, if there's anyone we want to recognize more tonight, it's them. It's them because we wouldn't be here without their hard work and guidance. Thank you because ever since they always had a clear vision and powerful vision for their artists, and that is to bridge cultures and bring Filipino talent to every corner of the world. But more than anything, we hope we are able to open more doors for more Filipino artists, for our stories, for our culture, to share our talent, and share our stories and be seen and heard all over the world. We're just very grateful that we are part of this family and we are part of this movement. Again, maraming salamat po. We are Beanie at mabuhay ang musikang Pilipino! Thank you so much! How we made it through our performances. This experience taught us so many lessons. It humbled us, stepping onto a stage, not knowing if anyone would cheer or support us. All we had was just our talent and courage. But because our company ABS-CBN raised us to be independent and to always persevere, we showed up and we gave everything we had. After Coachella, we were in shock because a lot of positive comments, reactions, and even articles from different media outlets talking about our performance. It's very overwhelming. And we didn't expect that we would be able to touch so many hearts and lives. And reading their messages just reminded us that what we do
goes beyond the stage. And for us,
Okay, nakakabahan yung sanay tumayo na mag-isa lang ako. Pero magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Ako po si Bini Joanna, leader of Bini. And on behalf of my sisters, Aya, Colette, Gwen, Baloy, Mika, Sheena, and Stacy, we are deeply honored po to receive these awards. Maraming salamat po. Nung nalaman po namin natatanggap kami ng award, nasa gitna po kami ng world tour. Sobrang nakakawala ng pagod and mas ginanahan po kami. Every time we perform, we do it for our blooms, we do it for the people who believe in us. And itong award na to, itong mga awards na to, award to para po sa lahat ng tao na naniniwala sa amin, our management, ABS-CBN. So, kinakabahan ako, ano ba yan? Woo! To our ABS-CBN management, Star Magic, Star Music, our music label. And to our Blooms, this is also your win. Maraming salamat. And to Guillermo Box Office Entertainment Awards, maraming salamat po for recognizing our hard work. Parang sinabi po ng award na to sa amin na keep going, Bini, you're doing great. And that means the world to us po kasi parang, especially now that it feels like so many people are trying to pull us down. Alam mo, parang ang daming nakatingin sa amin at talagang hindi talaga kami sirain. And ang hirap, but at the same time, it pushes us more to stay strong and prove them wrong. This is just the beginning and we'll keep going, we'll keep growing. Maraming salamat po at mabuhay ang musikang Pilipino. Thank you!
Hello po, magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Opo, hindi na po namin alam kung ano, sige, saan ba? Okay, dito. Hindi po namin alam kung ano ba dapat. Ano mo yun? Halo na po, pero sige, try natin. Let's go. First of all, thank you, Billboard PH, for this award. For 3 consecutive years, Billboard PH has always supported us as an artist. Started in 2024 as Rising Stars of the Year, 2025 as Women of the Year, and this year, Powerhouse honoree. Thank you so much. Alam niyo po, sa totoo lang, we didn't fully understand what a Powerhouse award really meant. Pero kanina habang pinapakinggan namin yung meaning niya, nakakakilabot po kasi there are moments where we doubt ourselves. Tama po si Miss Yang. Talagang, there are moments where we doubt ourselves, pero itong moment na to, it reminded us na ang success, hindi yan na-measure sa numbers. Hindi yan sa dami ng sumisigaw sa'yo, hindi yan sa laki ng followers mo, wala yan doon. It's about consistency. It's about showing up every day kahit mahirap. It's about creating songs even when no one is listening. It's about keep going when no one is watching. And it's about standing strong, especially as women in this industry. Thank you ABS-CBN. Thank you to our music label, Star Music. Maraming salamat po sa brands na naniniwala sa amin. Pen Shop, thank you. And to our Blooms na talagang all out sumuporta. Thank you po. And of course, again, thank you so much Billboard PH for always uplifting Filipino artists and Filipino music. Again, we are Bini at mabuhay ang musikang Pilipino.
We see you, we stand with you, we love you. The world needs your voice, your colors, your story. At palagi niyo bubuhat niyo sa sarili niyo para na maaaring kaya
Hello po, magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Opo, hindi na po namin alam kung ano. Sige, saan ba? Okay, dito. Hindi po namin alam kung ano ba dapat. Ano mo yun, nararamdaman halo-halo na po, pero sige, try natin. Let's go. First of all, thank you, Billboard PH, for this award. For 3 consecutive years, Billboard PH has always supported us as an artist. Started in 2024 as Rising Stars of the Year, 2025 as Women of the Year, and this year, Powerhouse honoree. Thank you so much. Alam niyo po, sa totoo lang, we didn't fully understand what a Powerhouse award really meant. Pero kanina habang pinapakinggan namin yung meaning niya, nakakakilabot po kasi there are moments where we doubt ourselves. Tama po si Miss Yang. Talagang, there are moments where we doubt ourselves, pero itong moment na to, it reminded us na ang success, hindi yan na-measure sa numbers. Hindi yan sa dami ng sumisigaw sa'yo, hindi yan sa laki ng followers mo, wala yan doon. It's about consistency. It's about showing up every day kahit mahirap. It's about creating songs even when no one is listening. It's about keep going when no one is watching. And it's about standing strong, especially as women in this industry. Thank you ABS-CBN. Thank you to our music label, Star Music. Maraming salamat po sa brands na naniniwala sa amin. Pen Shop, thank you. And to our Blooms na talagang all out sumuporta, thank you po. And of course, again, thank you so much Billboard PH for always uplifting Filipino artists and Filipino music. Again, we are Beanie at mabuhay ang musikang Pilipino.
May mga times talaga na parang ang bigat ng mundo. Minsan, we question ourselves, we question our worth. But you know what pulled us out? Our faith. And kayo, Blooms, yung suporta nyo, yung pagmamahal nyo sa amin. Yun ang dahilan kung bakit kami nandito. Hindi kami basta bumalik. We came back stronger. Not because we had something to prove, but because we remembered who we are and why we started. Maraming salamat sa mga Blooms! Nagabi ng puyat sa kakain.
Gusto ko lang i-share kasi syempre for the past few months, syempre it hasn't been the easiest.
Sheena! I love you, Sheena.
Honestly, itong buong tour na to, literal na,
Sheena!
literal na one day bago kami lumipad, sobrang worried namin. Grabe, gusto namin nag-doubt kung kalala to the point na gusto namin siguro cancel na ng world tour. Ano masasaktan? Wala din siguro.
Explore. Alam namin na bawat bagong tunog or direction na tinatry namin, may mga nagugulat, may mga naninibago, pero that's the heart of being artist. Diba? Exploring, growing, and trusting that music will always find the people it's meant to reach. Yes. Gusto ko magpasalamat kasi para nagiging validation siya sa lahat ng hard work. And thank you so much ABS-CBN Music, Flip Music, thank you so much po. Maraming salamat Star Magic. Blooms, maraming salamat sa inyo! Yeah! Crazy, grabe itong taon na to. Grabe talaga. Gusto ko rin pasalamatan lahat ng fellow artists natin. Yeah, salamat po global fans worldwide. Thank you po. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng Blooms na nakikinig sa atin sa labas ng bansa. And again, sa fellow artists natin, maraming salamat po sa suporta nyo. Ramdam na ramdam po namin yung support nyo. Alam namin hindi tayo kompleto tonight dahil dinadala nila ang OPM sa global stage. Napakarami mong artist na nag-world tour ngayon. Patunay lang yon na hindi lang tayo basta sumasabay sa global stage. Dahil tayo mismo ang tunog na hinahanap ng mundo. Again, we are Beanie 2-3! Thank you po! Congratulations again, Beanie!
Hi, good evening everybody. Standing in front of many incredible artists and industry leaders is really a dream come true for us, Beanie, and we'd like to thank Billboard Korea because we got to add this experience to our core memory. On behalf of Beanie, it's ultimately an honor and we are so grateful to receive this award, but you see, this award isn't just for us. It's also for those people who believe in us and who have been a part of our journey. From our hardworking team and management, ABS-CBN, to our music label, Star Music, to the composers, songwriters who have contributed such memorable songs for Beanie, thank you so much. To our support system, our families and friends, to our Blooms, we love you guys. Thank you for your love and dedication that you've put on to us. And of course, Billboard Philippines, thank you for nominating us and for continuing to champion Filipino music.
Yes, and being here tonight with so many talented artists inspire us to keep pushing boundaries and to share our music with the world. This award reminds us that anything is possible with hard work and dedication. To our fellow artists, we admire and respect each and every one of you. To our fellow P-pop group SB19, thank you so much for inspiring us. And yes, we're so excited to be here, and of course, yeah, we're nervous actually because this is our first.
Yeah, it's our first time to be in Korea together as a group, and we're just full of happy emotions right now.
Yes. Patuloy po namin iangat ang musikang Pilipino. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you.
We want to continue inspiring, growing, learning, lahat ng ing, cooking, breaking barriers and proving that Filipinas can shine on any stage. And sana itong award na to maging reminder to na ang success, it's not just about talent, it's about hard work and the courage to keep going no matter what. Again, we are BINI at mabuhay ang musikang Pilipino. Thank you so much po.
Parang hindi ko alam bakit ito yung feeling ko. One of the highlights ng
Pero sige, pakilala muna tayo. 2, 3, mabuhay! We are BINI! Mag-3 years na po kami this year and sobrang laking regalo po nito for us. We are humbled and grateful po. And syempre gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa Billboard's Pilipinas for giving us a platform para mapakita pa po namin yung mga kaya po namin gawin. To ABS-CBN! Star Music, Sir Roxy, Sir John, dito po sila ngayon. Star Magic, Team BINI, UBS, and sa lahat po ng mga nakawork po namin na music producers and songwriters who gave us all these great songs. Maraming salamat po. Siyempre sa family po namin, the #1 supporters, and siyempre our Blood! Naman sa parents. Maraming salamat po, and Lord, maraming salamat po. Alam po namin na part po ito ng gantan nyo for BINI po. May gusto mo rin salamatan. Maraming salamat po, and we will still continue to strive for excellence at dadalhin po natin ang P-pop sa world stage po. At hindi P-pop groups po ng ating bansa. Again, we are BINI!
And katulad nung nabanggit niyo po, cherry on top, parang we still find ways to bring out elements, diba? To reflect who we are, and kung saan kami nanggaling. And with Shaggy D, katulad nung sinabi ko kanina sa interview, parang we wanted to go deeper na mas ma-highlight yung culture natin. Kasi very Pinoy, from the beat to the choreography to the MV, di ba? Very Pinoy siya. And to answer your question, what was our hope po? Siguro for our local audiences, we hope na it sparks pride And for our foreign audiences, we want it to be a gateway, na something that makes them curious about the Philippines, or that gets them, alam mo yung mag-google nila yung traditional Filipino games natin, dances natin, or itry nila yung dance step namin, na Shaggy D, di ba? Kasi for sure, nilalaro naman natin itong lahat before even our parents.
But if it involves a run or traveling, hello. Yes, I'm very happy that you guys are here, and this is my very first running event with my honey chow. Kami tumatakbo kami, but yeah, actually on the way here I was very curious how it's gonna be today, kasi yun nga, it's my very first run club. So here's ako, if we run, parang will we keep, how many times kaya kami magsa-stop for honey to poop or something? But yeah, I hope today will just be a day that's full of energy, joy, and sana mag-enjoy na tayo with our fur babies. Yes! Good morning again, guys! Okay. Aya, are you ready to run with your blooms? Okay, blooms ha? Save me first.
Hindi yan lagi sa ibang tao. Ang first love, minsan, sa sarili natin yan. First love natin yung sarili natin. And actually, mas mahirap nga yung sa sarili natin kasi we live in a world where people expect us to be okay. Na palagi dapat tayo nakangiti, palagi dapat tayo strong. Pero in reality, walang ganun eh. It's okay to not be okay. Diba? That's why this night really matters. Kasi alam niyo kung bakit? Kasi yung music reminds us na tao pa rin tayo. We're still human. Na nagkakamali tayo. And kayo, lahat kayo na sumusuporta sa amin, kayo yung nagre-remind sa amin na pwede pa rin kami magpakita ng emosyon. At sana ganun din, nakakahanap din kayo ng peace sa mga songs namin. And so, tonight, before we move on, we just want to take this moment, not for anyone else, but for you, for your heart, for your peace. Please take care of your mental health. Sana yung pagpunta ng Bini dito sa Davao, it will remind you that you are loved, you deserve to feel safe. At sana patuloy niyo pa rin mahalin yung Bini dahil hindi kami mawawala, nandito kami to always support you. May nagmamahal sa inyo. Katulad ng susunod naming kanta, ibigay niyo tong moment na to sa mga sarili niyo at huwag muna tayong umuwi.
Good evening, everyone. We are Bini. An 8-member girl group from the Philippines. So, thank you, Billboard, for this Global Force Award. Standing here tonight is something we Bini could only dream about. We are deeply honored to be given. A chance to represent Filipino music and artists back home. This is not just a milestone for us, but also a responsibility we carry with so much pride. We also want to acknowledge all our co-awardees tonight, who we look up to. Oh my gosh, hi everyone. We are big fans of yours. We can't believe we're in the same room and breathing the same air.
And just like these artists, we hope that we also inspire young girls watching this and they realize that their dreams are also valid no matter where they come from. To our families, hi Mom, Dad, we're finally here! To our supporters, our Blooms, hi Blooms, we miss you! And of course to our company, ABS-CBN, thank you so much for taking a chance on these 8 women and believing in us since day one. Shout out also to Billboard Philippines for always supporting Filipino music and Filipino artists. We accept this award not just as Bini, but more importantly, as proud Filipinas.